Is it your dream to be a DJ on the festival circuit? Do you want to play your music and other people's music in a live setting? Then our live DJ course is exactly what you need to make your dream a reality. Our live DJ course will teach you how to create amazing performances for an array of audiences. You'll learn how to best operate your gear, mix, and sound design one-on-one from a professional DJ in a state-of-the-art studio or remotely. Your choice. Now you may be asking yourself, do I really need to be training with a school to be a DJ? One thing to consider is this: how far do you want your career to go? Now, if you just want to be a DJ for fun, then sure, online tutorials and blog posts may be enough. But if you want to take your career to the professional level and be a touring DJ, we have something for you to check out: our live DJ course.